Okay, so fun event. We're done with our rehearsals. And now it's time to have dinner with the alumni. So very masaya, supportive. Kumantahan kami ng mga songs nila before. And now, look at that! So, syempre may palibreng dinner and bonding and all. So eto mga personal and social time with them. So yeah, wala bang nakalimutan? Yep, yun lang. Bye! To our official tambayan here. So we have karaoke and the food and all. At syempre, inuman kapag nadi-depress and all.
Yan, so yan. Parties.
Morning comes and I must go. Day is breaking yonder. After all the places I have been, now I'm going home.
with the alums. So, ang saya dito, ang dami yan. Thank you for the dinner sa ating mga former part of the Lost Leaders. And of course, happy. So, video ka. Mag-video tayo na kumakanta-kanta tayo, guys. Tama, tayo din. Ganda na tayo mga
Uy, mag-story ako sa page ko. Kapag ito.
Yes? Yes. Over ba tayo? Asok pa ba? Kasi ayun yung video natin.
Teka lang.
Sino ang start ito?
Wow!
Ay! Ayan! Ay, sa pagmasaya ka lahat.
Kumanta ka na kung gusto
Oo, kumanta ka na. Ay, kanta natin ang barkada sa tropa. Sa kanta ko.
When I found you, my miracle. If you can see what I see, you're the answer to my prayer. And if you can feel the tenderness I feel, you will know it will be clear. The angels from me.
Nasa ka na ng mic. Papa.
If you can see what I see, you're the answer to my prayer. And if you can feel the tenderness I feel, you will know it will be clear. The angels from me. I'll be forever grateful. Oh, forever grateful. My dreams came true when I found you. My miracle. If you can see what I see, you're the answer to my prayer. If you can see what I see, you're the answer to my the tenderness I feel, you know it can be the angels from me.
Kumanta ka.
You give me a reason for my being, and I know what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, yes, I'm gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. Love the touch of your hair, and when I look in your eyes, I just know You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I got me on this day. And it all began when I met you. Taught me how to love. Showed me how tomorrow and today my life is different from the yesterday. And you taught me to love. Taught me I will always cherish you. Today, tomorrow, and forever. Are you having fun?
Whoa. One.
Yes!
Dahil pa po.
Oo, mabaka. Lahat na kailangan kumanta. Dali na, go na. Ano bang bago natin? Para ka kasi alis ang alis yung bag mo. Iwanan mo muna sige.
Buhay ko, ikaw ang pinapatingin ko ang aking ayaw kitang mawala.
That's what friends are for. We love you, Ilanes! Yes! I feel you, and as far as I know, now I got the chance to say that you believe I love you. Diane Warwick and
Will I close your eyes?
Ange. Ayun.
Uy, nawala yung akin.
Ilabas ang mic, ilabas ang
Ano yan? Pumindot ng remote. Akin yan.
Yes. Sorry, ulitin natin ito.
Ano ulit yung reaction? Ano yung ano?
Number.
Kapag kakalala ko.
Ayan, all the way sa mga. Yes!
Ano yung nilagay sa live?
Oo, kasi makalipas na bukas. Nakawala. Bye!
Bye-bye na.
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, tonight. On the wings of love, on the wings of love, only the two of us together, night You look at me and I begin to melt, just like the snow when the rains on spell. I'm crazy about you, baby, can't see. I'd be so delighted if you would come with me. On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together, flying high, flying high among the wings of love. Yes, you belong to me, and I'm yours exclusively. Right now we're living, breathing each other. Inseparable destinies, we're flowing like a stream, running free, traveling on the wings of love. On the wings of love.
Yan, pero hindi naman kayo malabis yan.
On the wings of love, on the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high, together flying high.
Hindi ka pa umakanto.
Ano
yan eh?
One line. One chorus.
Kumanta siya ng ano, yung sayaw.
I feel his arms around me.
Ako kayo na 30 minutes. Ako eh. 30 minutes na.
Pina-fast forward ko lang sa TikTok. Times 2.
Last 30 minutes.
Tapos magkakakat ako.
Ano ba?
Ganun talaga kung maraming memory.
Ano kayo na nga ba? Nagdabihan mo tayo. Nagdabihan.
Unrequited love, one way. Saan po? What's that? Hindi natin alam. Stop dance daw yun. Stop dance. Can you say, ano yan? Ano tayo? ALS goes emo, gano'n. Kaya, ALS punk. Ano ka naman? Ano ka naman? Wala kang gagawin. Pasok pa bukas. Bukas ka ba? At sunrise, I see a dream. Pero kung ano ba tayo?
Hindi ako kumasok eh. Ano brand mo? Brand 2? Ano araw?
Yung alala? Isang sarap. Ano sarap?
Sunday. Sunday. Sunday kami.
To the place where I never see. Can you take me higher?
Dapat di ko iwan din ako.
To the place where golden free.
Yang sarap na. Nagsabi mo pala yun eh. Nagsabi mo pala yun. Naglalagay niya ako.
Can we say that you take me higher?
Wifi ko din. Bakit ka kasi? Bakit ka kasi? 5%
For a winning foolish heart, here we go, let's start before.
Lahat ng orientation. Sabi ko, ano?
Parang oo.
Lahat ng maasin ako.
Foolish heart, here we go, let's start before you start falling. Foolish heart, read my words, you know, don't be wrong anymore. Foolish heart, foolish heart, foolish heart. You've been wrong before.
So, gaganon. Soda pa. Ayoko nga, di ba nakaka-NSS?
Sobra, ilang beses ko pinanood yan.
Pinanood ko tuloy sa Netflix, one story.
Pwede ba?
Wakit pa. Ano soda pa? Demon Slayer. Sa Netflix.
Ako yung Demon Slayer.
Di ba sa Huntrix versus Saja Boy? Iba.
Ibang Demon Hunter.
Di ba pala? Di ba pala?
Tayo sa atin, sabi ko,
Di ba pala anime yun?
Game of Hunter.
Ganon.
Ay pala.
Set upon and he won't by my side.
Kumanta ka.
So now I come to you, open up, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am.
Uwi na daw si Marvin. Ay,
Matagal pa siya.
Akala ko yung yung pera. Parang kami po yung aabot ng pera. Ay, teka, matapos na eh. Pag-isa ka. Hello!
Pag di ko natapos ito.
O, Gia, ikaw na naman walang pinitin doon.
Walking so easy. Hello. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see it until it was gone. I said it once in a lifetime, maybe too much to ask, but it's forever now on. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. If ever you're in my arms again, my world is now. I'll hold you forever. Never end.
Bye! Night-night.
After this one pala. Alam mo pa ako.
Marami pa rin pala mag-iingat.
Yeah, I want to see you early.
Pero di ba sila mabenta kasi wala pang estudyante sa school?
Ako mabenta rin yan.
Kaya,
There's something
alas 9 ng class.
you
Ah, early dismissal pa.
Base ka na. Base na ba? Base siya? Base?
Base.
We gotta
Eh, lagi ang katabi ko eh. Base ka.
Second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask, but it's forever now on. If ever you're in my arms again, this time
so much for this one.
Hindi na kumarap.
Bye.
Bye! Okay, this also dito tayo. Bye-bye!
Sana nagtawag mo sa akin. Nakita ba kita?
Sorry! Bye na ako sa pangalan. Dito tayo.
Ay, kasi.
Bye guys! We had so much fun. So ganun yun.
At kung ako ang iyong iibigin.
Wala tayong nakalimutan.